Hey, we have a Poreba heavy-duty engine lathe, model TR115B24M. It is 45-inch swing by 160-inch centers. Serial number 7402-01-11015-00. Machine is new in 1992. We have reground the bed and put new tersite under the saddle and ground the cross light as well. So we're going to run it for you. Machine's 50 horsepower, inch metric threading. You have from 5 to 500 RPM. Has a 4-jaw chuck on there, 31-inch 4-jaw chuck. Steady rest, 2 steady rests. Forward and reverse. Spindle brake. What you're seeing there is feed to the power top slide, which is also how you do taper turning.
Also they have, you can reverse the,
You reverse the power top slide. Again, that's how you do taper turning. And you'll have six-way rapid as well. Okay. Rapid to the top slide. Cross slide. It's rapiding to the cross slide. And feed. He's feeding the cross slide. Very good.
Now we're going to do
carriage, longitudinal. He's rapiding. He's feeding it. Put a momento, senor, no air. Now we have the lead screw engaged, and we're going to be threading. Engaging the half nut, and now we're threading. This machine has an inch lead screw, and you have a thread dial. Okay. That's the tailstock, 2-speed tailstock. That's the fine feed and fine and rapid there. Okay. We're gonna do some more. We're gonna do some more spindle speeds. High gear.
high gear and low speed on mode.
Okay. Very good. Spindle brake.
Spindle brake. Then we're going to do here another range.
All right. And that's another speed. Okay. All right. Well, you've seen a couple of different speeds. You've seen it feed, you've seen it rapid, you've seen it thread, you've seen the tailstock quill move. Machine is here on our floor. And hey, thank you for watching our video.